Number 3, the dot plot shows the number of touchdowns a football team scored in 10 games last season. Which statement best describes the data shown in the dot plot? All right, now since it's a dot plot, I'm going to go ahead and take all of the data first and write it to the side in order from least to greatest, just in case I need it. So I have 1, 1, nothing for 2, nothing for 3, 2 4s, 1, 2, 3 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4 6s. Okay, and now I'm going to look at my answer choices. A says the peak of the data is 1. And I remember that peak is the high point of the data. And I see 6 is the high point of the data, not 1. So A cannot be it. B, the data distribution has no gaps. And I remember that gaps is where there's not any data. Well, there's no data here. There's no data here. So I do have gaps. C, the data are clustered from 4 to 6. Well, if I look at my dot plot, I remember that clustered means they're grouped together, and I have a cluster right here from 4 to 6, so that one works. Now I'm going to check D. The data distribution is symmetrical. Now, symmetrical means if I cut it in half, it looks the same on both sides. Well, no matter where I cut it, it's not going to be the same, but half would be right about here, and this data is greater than this data. So D is not correct. So C is my answer.